Calico Creek in the Nimbin Valley was one of many smashed in the 2022 floods. Websters Creek Landcare, supported by the Nimbin Environment Centre, initiated a riparian restoration and flood mitigation project to rehabilitate a section of this creek. Funding was provided by local land services. Weeds, which had established after the floods, were removed. Riverbank erosion was mitigated with the installation of coir logs. 3,900 trees and lomandras were planted. Hay and wood chip were used to mulch the plants to help them establish. Maintenance of the site will be carried out by Websters Creek Landcare and the landholders. The community was involved in an on-site field day and planting event. The importance of native bees was highlighted in another community workshop.